Are you ready to transform your body in just 10 minutes a day? Welcome to the November Sculpting Challenge. With a bit of drive and consistency, you can achieve incredible results. Breathe in deeply and exhale, preparing your body for action. Now, envision a series of bodyweight exercises. These are the bread and butter of any fitness enthusiast, appealing for their simplicity and effectiveness. They can be performed anywhere, anytime, targeting all the major muscle groups for a comprehensive full-body transformation. Picture the first exercise, squats, a powerhouse move for the lower body. Visualize your hips lowering as if you're about to sit in a chair, then push through your heels to rise back up. Repeat this movement for a total of 10 repetitions. Transition now to push-ups, a classic upper body and core strengthener. Imagine yourself in a plank position, hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest towards the ground, and then push back up, keeping your core engaged. Again, aim for 10 reps. Next, consider crunches, a tried-and-true abdominal exercise. Envision yourself lying on your back, knees bent, hands gently cradling your head. Lift your chest towards your knees, engaging those abdominal muscles. Strive for 10 reps. Then it's time to focus on your arms with tricep dips. Visualize yourself sitting on the edge of a sturdy chair, hands gripping the edge, fingers pointing towards your body. Lower your body down and then lift back up, using the power of your triceps. Again, aim for 10 reps. Finally, inject a burst of cardio with jumping jacks. Picture your feet together, arms by your sides. Jump your feet out wide while bringing your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Keep this up for an invigorating 60 seconds. And there you have it, a robust, effective 10-minute body transformation workout. The key is to remain consistent and to always challenge yourself as you progress. You have the power within you. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this guided workout, feel free to subscribe for more fitness tips and challenges. Stay strong, keep pushing, and we'll catch you in the next video.